Another plane?
Uh-huh.
Who's that one?
A tortilla.
Let me see. What's its name?
Oh, that's Ripslinger's buddy.
Oh, I don't know the name.
He's a bad guy.
Zed?
A Santa.
It's Zed.
Dad.
Santa
that?
brought you lots of stuff.
You're good at opening paper this year.
I know it.
Oh, that.
I love this shirt.
No, that.
Here, I'll hold it. You open. You noticed it was closed.
But that paper, that style. is
Yeah.
There.
Nana.
Pull it.
Dad.
Pull it hard.
Pull it right here. There. Pull it.
Oh.
Oh.
What is it? What picture does it have on it?
Whoa! Dusty.
Oh, Dusty. Wow.
Dirty truck.
How did
Yes.
Santa know
Dusty
he liked
shirt.
cars and Dusty?
Yeah.